I'm Bubba from the BUBBAROCK Meat Company. Today, I want to introduce to you a new line of the Flavor Factory. We have Zesty Breading. Just came out. We're going to do some air fried shrimp in our Ninja Foodie. Got about a half a pound of shrimp. Nothing else on them. Peeled and deveined. We're going to add some of our Zesty Breading. We're just going to give it a toss. It's going to get gummy, folks. That's alright. So what we're going to do is, once that breading gets soaked into the shrimp, we're going to add a little bit more. Now you can keep on doing this to build as thick of a layer of breading as you want. But what we're going to do today, we're just going to do a nice light breading. I'm going to let the breading, we'll just keep it going. We can cut from here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these shrimp out on a plate, and I'm going to let the shrimp get gummy, and then I'm going to add them to my air fryer. I'll bring it back when I'm ready to do that. Alright, now that my breading is gummy on the shrimp, I'm going to just give them a quick spray of non-stick oil, and I'm going to put them into the Ninja air fryer. I'll bring them back when they're done. Alright, the shrimp are done in the air fryer. Let me pull them out and I'll show you what we have. Here you go, folks. Air fried breaded shrimp with the Zesty BUBBAROCK breading. You're not going to go wrong. Enjoy.